Okay, finally, we are back. Yes, we are back. Let me add my what is car device? Let's add my Mac desktop. Okay, so I will open Unity. And I will move this one here. Nice. And I'm gonna dock this to what is capture car device? So I am opening the project right now. Okay, I kind of like this one. Nice. So okay. As I said, I will go to share the link with the markers, but you can use the ones that you want. Maybe a card, or maybe, I don't know, just an image. Let's see. This is the link. The link is gonna be here in the chat. Nice. Okay, we have this. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is online. Is this online? Okay, apparently yes. Let's see. Yes, okay. Now I can see my screen. Okay, so things that we did. Essentially, we yesterday were able to have these two markers, and in every marker, hold on. Let me open the app here real quick, and I'm gonna take a screenshot. AR app. This is marker 2. So where are my markers? Okay, I have my markers here. Let's see how they do. So yesterday we were able to make appear a cube on top of every marker. Let me share this real quick here. So we get something like this. So this is just the capture of my device. We were able to achieve this, that I will spawn a prefab on top of every material. So this is just to recap. Now what I want to do is I want to do the fun part. That is, I want to prepare the assets for this augmented reality experience. So let's go to Fab. No, let's go to Mixamo. Because what I want to do is I want to prepare some animations. Let's see, what's the account that I have here. You know what? All right, hold on. Let's give me a second. There you go. So we have ready our Mixamo for the animations, and what we want to do is we want to look for the models. We want to download some cute models that fit our theme. So I was thinking, as I said yesterday, I was looking for a character, a 3D model, maybe a character and a vehicle. So the formats, I can't pick any, and the license type, I want this one, and I want, of course, the free ones, so I can share them with you. So where's my robot? I found yesterday a nice robot I want to work with. I was like, yes, this is the thing. This is the guy I want to work with. No, this is not the robot. Like, this is kind of cool, but I want something cool and kind of cute. Hey, there you go. This is the robot I want to work with. So let's download. You know, I'm gonna trust the guy who did this, so I'm just going to pick my what? Yes. So let's leave it here. I have these assets. No. What? Okay. So just the robot. And I'm just gonna copy. How can I share this? Yes. Okay, the link is already copied. To give some credits to whoever modeled this thing. And yeah, so what I want to do is I want to, okay, I have, where is my model? So what I want to do is I want to set up some animations first to this one. This is, let's see how it looks like on my Mac. So I have this. Yes, this is the, okay, looks nice. There you go. It is an ET pose. So what I want to do is I want, if I see the robot only, I want the robot to be kind of in a grumpy pose, like, okay, I'm waiting for something, just hurry up and show me the other marker I'm going to interact with. So for that, I will go to Mixamo and I'm gonna look for maybe some waiting or angry, and I'm gonna look for an angry pose. I like this one. So I will upload my character. Where is my robot? Just imagine that you are not seeing my stuff. Where is the robot? Robot. This is my robot. So let's see how this does. But this is gonna be the idols. I want this to be the idol. So the robot is kind of angry and like, hurry up. And then I want to give like a surprise, like, oh, I'm just so happy. So maybe I will do a transition animation to the robot jumping, and then just a dance that is like looping the whole time, while the two markers are in contact to each other. So this could be the states for the robot. Let's open up meanwhile the scripts. So I already have the multiple images tracking manager. That's the system to assign to each marker a prefab. That's it. I'm not gonna touch this anymore, but this is just for you to check. So what we did, it was a list of prefabs that we want to spawn. On this case, marker 1 and marker 2. For now they are cubes, but I'm gonna assign the robot to one of them later. I have the AR tracked image manager reference. So I assign the reference. I create a dictionary with the elements spawned. So this is to manage when the marker is visible or not. So I assign the dictionary, I set up the scene, so I spawn all the objects and I hide them and just let them get ready in case of a marker just gets on track. Here I just manage the events, so if the marker is added or if it is updated, so when the marker just move, or if the marker is removed, I'm just going to update the tracked images. Actually, I'm not updating the tracked images, but I'm updating the prefabs that are already spawned, the game objects that are on the scene. So I'm just going to activate them and assign the new position and the new rotation. Or if not, I'm just going to hide them if there is no marker or the tracking of the marker is limited. So yes, okay, this is my fab and this is my, where's my Mixamo? Okay, let's put my Mixamo here. To map your existing skeleton. How can I just have the character without a skeleton? Let's try again and see what I have. Overdrive. Because the other option is maybe to download this without, like in an USD format that contains no skeletons, and then I just put it here. Let's see. This is processing the character. Because yes, I do like this character. You can download the character directly. This is the link in the chat. That's the link if you want to get it directly, so we can work with it. La, 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 la. So okay, is this okay? This is still processing, but if not, let's just download the USD file, just in case, so I can try with the USD file. Yeah, no. Okay, so let's okay, these are the objects, so it seems like I need to download the blend file and then export the whole thing without mesh. So let's open Blender and export the model without the mesh. So I have this, let me see. So now you can see what I see. So seems like I have no textures on top. Doesn't matter. I just want to, okay, let's do this real quick. So let's see if what I'm thinking to do works. The idea, okay, I'm not going to export this. I'm just going to export the armature, other, the empty, because they sometimes are just references and nothing else. Let's see how it does with the new model. So let's upload the new character and let's upload the new model. This is the new model. Let's wait. Why? I don't have any skeletons, dude. So let's try then by exporting the OBJ file. It shouldn't contain any skeletons at all. Let's see. Where's my Blender? Let's export everything but robot, UV coordinates, normals, colors, triangulated meshes. Let's export this again and let's try to upload a new character. Where's the OBJ file? This is the one. I don't know what is happening. Like, automáticamente. Asegúrese que la opción incrustar medios esté activada para que los medios FX carguen las texturas. No incluyen texturas, lo que los personajes aparezcan en gris para mostrar las texturas. Like, yes, I understand, but is it? I don't know why I am not able to. Angry Robot on X. Let me try with another character then, because I don't know, this is strange. For me it doesn't make sense, but let's see. I'm gonna open a new window here, new tab, models, price. I want them for free with this license type. Characters and creatures. So let's pick one random, like maybe one bunny. I don't save anything. Okay, I want to export only one. They are so adorable. So yes, I have all exported. Nice. So export this as an FBX file. Only the selected objects or only the visible objects. With everything except the armature, the camera, and the lamps. Oh, forward is C, I think. Is C or Y? I cannot remember. Let's go to Unity and see what is forward. I don't know, but I think it is C. Minus C. Okay, anyways, just export that. And let's try then with the bunny. Where is my bunny? Okay, this worked. Okay. I think the elbows might be kind of here. The knees kind of here. Kind of here. Okay. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Yeah, it sucks. It sucks not having the robot. I wanted to work with the robot. Uh, yeah, I don't know, but anyway, let's try with the bunny then. Meanwhile, let's look for the vehicle. Let's see. Yeah, I'm sad, dude. I wanted to work with this robot. I don't know why I was not able to work with it, but yeah, that's the life, and that's the life. Okay, and let's go to discover library. I want a 3D model of a car, but I want a free one with this license type. And vehicles and transportation. I saw one that was kind of flying, so I want that specific one. Let's see this one. I'm gonna share the link to you in case you want to work with it too. And let's download this. Okay, let's download the entire thing. Let's see what it has. It has some textures and it has the model. So let's drag and drop meanwhile. Oh my goodness. The rig is super awful. No, let's move this one back. Let's put it a little bit. Let's move it here. This is gonna be. And I think the others were okay. Okay, and while this loads, I'm going to drag and drop in models. Inside models, I'm gonna have one for the van. So I have this. Okay, this has like a lot of stuff. So I'm going to extract the materials inside this inside the same folder. Textures are not there, but I have the textures here, so I'm just gonna put them. So I'm just gonna rename this like a flying car. Okay, let's see how this looks like. I need to unpack the whole thing. Okay, so I remember this thing was kind of yellow. Oh, I want to see if these pieces are movable or not. Seems like they are. Yes. Okay, nice, cool. So now let's see. No. Okay, let's go to this. You have the combi material. No, I'm not going to edit the shader at all. So let's close this one. No, discard any change. Yes. The material. Where is the material? Combi material. There you go. This was yellow if I'm not wrong, so let's put it here. This is very emissive. So, unless, hold on. Where are the textures? Here. So belt, I'm gonna, yeah. This is bedroll material, so bedroll base color. I think this is the one that comes here. Dude, what's wrong with this? No. Chassis. This is my chassis. The emissive color is this one. The specular color. It can be the roughness. Specular. Okay. Let's undock this. Bedroll material. Hold on. So this is the combi material. The combi material. This is the one. Okay, I'm gonna dock this one. And combi, this is the base color. Yes. The emissive map is this one. And okay, now it has a specular, a normal one. Where's the normal map? This is the normal map. And let's fix this now. Okay, cool. The roughness can be the one that is metallic. I don't know. Wow, nice, pretty, sweet. And I think that's pretty much it. The specular color, meh. Okay, that's enough. I think that's okay. Cool. So let's undock this one. Let's save. This is also a combi material. So nice. Okay, this is the vehicle. I think I don't need this, so I'm just gonna get rid of this. I will center this. I will reset. So this is at the very center of this thing. And I think the chassis, I have a battery. Side vent. Oh, we can maybe move this one. No. But I don't want to move this. Yes, nice. So the idea is when, let's say this is the normal state. Hold on. This is the normal state. And whenever the robot or the bunny is in contact with the van, I want this to kind of move down, and then just the van keeps bouncing in there or something like that. That's the idea. And maybe I can change the color of the lamps, but I don't know. Yes, what's the material for this one? It is combi material too, but I can just add an emissive color or something like that to change it, like to turn on and turn off. So for now, just leave it as it is. I will have this prefabs. Okay, where is my prefabs folder? Where is the prefabs folder? Here. So I will just Okay, yeah, this is in the center. Yes, I like this. So this is gonna be here, save, and I don't need anything else. Now let's see with the bunny. Okay. Oh, I forgot to rig this. Good job, David, good job. So let's wait a little bit. I'm gonna just turn off this light. We'll try with this one. I don't like this white light, but it is kind of dark here. So what's wrong with this? Next. With no fingers. So I'm not sure if I'm having just a bug here or what, but this is getting annoying. So let's try again here with Mixamo. I didn't want to use Safari because Safari is like crap for these kind of web tools. But yes, I don't know what happened. So I will give a second chance to my robot just to see if this time it works, and if it works, nice, and if not, I'm just gonna try again with the bunny. So yes, it is still processing. Let's see what else can we have here. Okay, just a moment. Let's wait a little bit more. A little bit more. So it was not able, so let's try again with the bunny. Where is my bunny? So this is the bunny that I want. So the chin is gonna be here. This has no fingers, so I think they can be placed here. The elbows can be here. The knees can be here, and this groin can be here. Let's go next. Let's see how this auto rig does. So I don't know. Maybe this, I'm going to upload this one to move it up a little bit more. And let's see what's wrong with this bunny. Like, Mixamo, don't do this to me. Okay, let's see. This is spinning. I'm not sure what can be generating the motion. Please, all the markers. Like, I want this one with no fingers. Put them here and move this here. Just to see if this time I have a successful rigging from Mixamo. Because which other characters can we choose? Like the bunny was nice. Ideally I wanted to work with this one, but I know already that I can't, unless who knows what else I have to do with it, and I don't have time to do that. Okay, so move this one up, move this one here, move this one a little bit here. I don't know, let's see. And I will look for another 3D model. I want a character. I want one that is for free, but with this type of license. The ninja is so dark, I don't know. Well, some robot maybe. This one can work. These are kind of cute, but not fully cute. I don't know. I don't want something super cool, but more like cute. Let's see. I don't know what other character I can pick up here. Oh, a cactus. This one is low. This one? I like this one. Okay, this is a candidate. So I assume the rigging didn't work with this one, so let's see this cactus, but I'm scared that maybe I can get the same, how to say that, the same issue, because the chain can be maybe in another place. Like, what if I put this here just to try this out? Because for the cactus, yes, I'm gonna have this part until kind of the chest or the belly button, more or less. Because yes, this cactus is something like I want. Don't know if I have. Okay, this is some robot. How this is? I want to see the whole. This is animated. Okay, this is more kind of humanoid, so can't work. What else? I don't know. I want a nice character to create a nice impact, you know, with the van, with the floating van. But I want something to bring some contrast to, so the experience is more exciting, more interesting. You know what? I'm just gonna try with the cactus. Let's. download this. And here in source, I will try then out with this one. Close. I'm just gonna upload a new character. Just upload my amigo. Let's say this time it works. Okay, so yes, this can be. The chin, I'm gonna say it is here, the elbows are here, these are here, okay, maybe here. This has no fingers. Moves all the joints, moves some weight, yes. Put it here. Okay, let's do it here, here. The knees are here, and this one can be here. Let's see how my amigo does. it is named Amigo. Okay. Who did this? This is a nice character. Shudiakov, I don't know. Shudiakov, that proton.me. Funny cactus character wearing sombrero amigo. Maya 3ds Max file include. Okay, the textures are nice. Oh, if this one rigs, nice, because I like this character a lot more than the others. There you go. Nice. Okay, this is gonna be my amigo is gonna be the character that I want. So let's look for a angry. So I want this pose, like, yes. I love this one. Okay, let's download this one, and I'm going to see. Okay, let's download it with skin and 60 frames per second with no reduction. So this is going to be my amigo. Okay, angry amigo. Angry. Let's see how this does. Actually, I'm super curious. So let's go and create a new folder. That this is gonna be amigo. Amigo has some textures on it. It has one single texture, so this is gonna be it. This is the original model. Nice. And this is the where's that? Amigo angry. So I will extract my materials here. Yes. Okay, and the animation, I'm going to extract the animation keyframes. So yes, he's very angry. Nice. I love this one, not gonna lie. Yes, this is adorable. So let's go and create my amigo here. Amigo has this material on it, this texture. This is the base. There you go. But then the animation is gonna go. I see the first issue with this. Okay, I don't like it that much, but let's create then a new animations. Assets, folder, animations. Then let's create amigo animations. Let's create an animator here, because we will have a different animation. So where is my animator? Animator controller. So this is amigo animator controller. There you go. Let's create a controller, animator controller, animator. Yes, this is my controller. And I'm gonna open this animator, and here in animations I want to move this animation here. But I want to, how can I extract this one? You know what? Okay, Control C, Control V. There you go. So I don't need my amigo angry anymore, but just move it for a second here again. And this is gonna be my idol. So let's see, and let's play the animation. Oh, it has a lot of missing parts. Okay. So that's why I should just delete this one. And I should use better my amigo angry. Materials, extract materials, this is the material, so amigo angry. I will use this texture here, there you go, and let's see how the animation plays out. Okay, I need to set up my controller, and here this is my animator this is the animator controller. I should rename the, how can I rename this? Because I will have, okay, instead of Mixamo, this animation is amigo angry animation. There you go. And let's see how this plays out. Oh, not what I want. Yes, it is happening. I like this pose, but I don't like the other, just because of the position of the eyes, I think. Okay, and let's try again with the rigging. I'm going to upload the character. I'm going to upload my amigo, the original. Okay, let's try again with amigo. And let's try to set up so the face, so the chin is kind of here. Actually, I think I have one in the second spike. Let's see, in the second spike, yes, exactly here is the chin. The wrists are here, the elbows are here, the knees are here, and this is gonna be here. My skeleton has no fingers, so let's start praying, hoping if this works or not. No, hoping that this is going to work. If this works, I love this character, and I think this is gonna be the character that is gonna make really is gonna make look really nice my tutorial tomorrow. I have less than 1 hour to finish this stream, so let's see. La 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 la. Yes. So apparently this is gonna work. Proceed with this new character. Yes. But it does exactly the same. It is gonna cover the eyes or something. Oh, David, what have you done? Yes, it is going to cover the... This is going to cover the... what? The eyes anyways. Let's try again. Let's move the chin a little bit under the spike. Let's move my knees. Okay. No, this is not a standard skeleton. But I like this amigo a lot more, so I'm just gonna copy the link and I will add it to my notes. Yes, because it is a lot nicer. And I don't have the van. I need to give credits. So no, I'm not gonna work with you. But I will work with you, so I need to copy this link too. Where's Mixamo? There you go. Next. Yes. Let's go to Angry. Oh my. Okay. This is the post I'm looking for. So yes, it is still covering the... This is still covering the what? This is still covering the ice, but yeah, anyways, doesn't matter. Hold on. Yes, this is covering that. Let's download. And here I will just I'm going to delete the previous Amigo that I have. Like, now that I know that I'm not gonna work with this one, delete this. I will delete this Amigo Angry. Yes, just I will get rid of it. The original Amigo, I don't need you anymore. So instead I'm going to use the one that comes here. So let's store it in the actual folder, models, Amigo Angry, Amigo Angry. Yes, I will delete these two textures too, and I will extract the material here. I will drag and drop this Amigo. I will assign the texture to this Amigo. I will assign you the animator, the only animator that I have for now, and my animator doesn't have. I'm gonna delete this one, and I will instead just Control C, Control V. I will move this one up. This is Amigo Angry animation. I don't like these underscores actually, animation. Yes, and let's see how this looks like. I just want to see if this version is better, but no, this is still covering the eyes. It is still covering the eyes, but yeah, I like it a lot more. So the idea is to have, so let's look for a surprise. No, I want... No, this is kind of... Or maybe shocked. No, shocked is too much. Happy. I don't know. I want maybe a jump or something. Happy jump. Ooh, maybe this one. So adorable. I like this one. Without the skin. Amigo jump, and then Amigo dancing, because Amigo is happy. Let's download this one. Amigo jump, Amigo jump, Amigo jump, and just a dancing. Let's see. Maybe with the arms not that extended, so it doesn't look that weird. Oh, I like it. I like this one. No, but the arms are too extended. Ooh, like. Oh, nice. I like this one. Yeah, it is nice when the arms, like in general, the animations are nice when the arms are fully extended, but on this case and for this exact model, it doesn't work that well. I like this dance. So amigo dancing. Amigo dancing. Nice. So with all those models, the only thing that I need to set up here is in my animator I will have, so I should have my amigo dancing. So I will duplicate this one and I will move this one here. Amigo dancing. Sorry, animation. Yes, and amigo jump. Control C, Control V. I'm gonna move it here. Amigo jump. Ping animation. There you go. So the idea right now is just to have this. I don't know if I should include in my tutorial the process of setting up the animations or not. That's interesting because when I export the whole Unity package assets, I would like to bring the viewer the chance to do some stuff not that hard, but I want the viewer to feel like they are doing something a part of the just copying and pasting the code. I want the viewer feel proud of what they are doing. But yes, anyways, just let's set up this for now. So dancing is going to be the next animation, and jumping is going to be the final animation. So the idea is you go from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. This is gonna be the cycle. So this will be looping. This one is looping too, and this one is looping too. So I will add some parameters, maybe trigger. The trigger can be start interaction. This can be the trigger, start interaction. So once this is triggered, and if this is here, then it is going to do the transition. I will disable the has exit time because I don't want the animation to loop until the end before doing the transition. I just want, if the transition happens, then just interrupt whatever you are doing and just play the other animation. And the condition is going to be this one. No, I'm wrong. Hold on. No, this animation, how can I tell this transition? Let's get rid of this one and let's get rid of the transitions. Where's the other transition? Let's get rid of this one. Hold on, I'm doing this wrong. So I am in idle animation, and as soon as I get the collision or the triggering, I will jump and then I will start dancing. So this is the correct order. Now again, this is a start an interaction. The jumping will not loop because I want this to happen only once, and then move immediately to this one. So that's why I don't have any condition here. And this one is until has exit time. So until the animation is done, then move to the next one. And here I will have this condition, so I will create another trigger that is go to idle. That is when there is no more elements interacting with this element. I just want to go to idle, like just waiting. And this is going to be the condition, and I'm gonna uncheck this has exit time because as soon as there's nothing else to interact with, I want to move to the other state of hey, I'm waiting. So yes, that's the setup for this one. I think that's okay. I'm just going to save, and my amigo is now a prefab. I honestly don't want to export the animation, like the animator yet. I genuinely don't want to do that. But yeah, anyways. Let's say, so this is waiting, then it jumps. When it jumps, it is like, ooh. And then it just starts dancing. This is how it looks like when it is dancing. Nice, this is so adorable. I like this character. Maybe I want to add some emission in the material. Let's see, where is my models, amigo? This is the material, and maybe I do want to do some animations too, some emission. Let's see. So it is like, yeah, it contrasts a little bit more with that, and since I don't have any lighting source or anything, it looks a lot better. I like how this looks like. Okay, I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna start animating my van. So the flying car, I already have my prefab, right? Yes. So let's just drag this one here. This is the combi asset, and here okay, animations. So I have my chassis, so let's create another controller. This is Amigo Animations. Now I have a combi animations. Here inside combi animations, I want to have a controller, an animator controller that is gonna have the different states similar to what we have with our lovely cactus. So I have my animator controller. This is gonna be combi animator controller. Nice. And I'm gonna put this here. I just want to play with some rotations and some local transform. So yes, seems like I have this combi. So I will create first the idle animation. An idle animation is very simple. I just want, this is gonna be named combi idle animation. So the idea is this is gonna be simpler. The properties, the chassis. So I want to keep this one, this chassis scale. What else? I don't. Maybe I want to add. Let's look for the material. I don't know. I should maybe look for in chassis. Let's see my filter. A mesh renderer, the material. Maybe I want to have also my emission color. So I want this to stay like that, but maybe I want this to give some, not sparkles, but maybe the lighting changing a little bit when this is animated. So because this is idle, I want an initial. Oh, thank you so much. So I want the lights kind of animate, or the whole band kind of having a different vibe when this is interacting. But because this is the idle color, this is going to be the initial state. And what else? I think that's pretty much it. Let me see real quick. The emission. The emission color needs to be this one by default. So I wanted to move this one like this, but maybe I have to just there you go. So maybe something yellow. No, it doesn't look like I want to. Okay, you know what? Maybe I will assign a different material to my lights. Yes. So yes, you know what? Let's do that. I will create a new material that is. I do have a fire material. Okay. This is also okay. I have a fire material. So maybe I can, okay, I can create this one. Let's do this. I will assign this fire material to this element. Where's the other elements? Here. Here and here. So let's do this. When this is interacting, this is gonna turn, like right now, it should be, okay, this material has to be transparent, maybe. Yes, and it is gonna have an alpha of 0. When this is floating, maybe this is gonna be like 1, or maybe kind of moving this thing like this. And I will add a blue color to it, so it looks like it is kind of floating or something like that. Yeah. So I have just to keep this in mind. Let's assign this one to my animation here. So I know that this is not going to be the property I want to work with, but I do want to go to stabilizer magnet. It is in clutch. So battery, what is battery, clutch, and this one has a clutch, and it has, okay, it has this stabilizer left, or let's go to the right one. That is the one that I have open, and the right one has a right thing, and until I get to this one. So I have this mesh renderer. So the alpha clip, I think this is the one that I want to to move. So if I have, let's say here, and I assign this one to 1, let's see how it plays. So no, not yet. Okay, let's try another stuff. Battery. Let's go to clutch. Stabilizer. Okay, yes. Because yes, this is the base color, the material. I'm not sure if I am getting the render. Yes, in theory I'm. Oh, right. Yeah, thank you. But I should be able to see it. Okay, yeah, you're right. Because if I move, let's say if I change the position to X here, let's see, I want this to be here. If I play, look, it moves. So I should be able to see the change in the material. Yes, I have the material. I should go to element 0, but I don't know if I'm able to see it. Let's go again. Let's battery, clutch. Until I get to the magnet. The other thing could be just activating and like enabling and disabling, but I don't like it. I want something smooth. So I have alpha to mask. Okay, I want to change the color. Aha, there you go. So I'm going to remove this one. Now, if I have, let's say here to 1. So now, I don't know why I'm not able to see the change. Like in theory, I should be able to see, because yes, I'm playing with the base color. Hold on. With the base map. This is the base color. Yes. Actually, let's add some emission. And let's play with the emission then. Let's see if I see the emission. Let's see, we need to do something nice. So mesh renderer, no, and not here. This is the casting, the magnet. Where is the emission? Material color. Or maybe is it this one? Do we have material emission? Material emission color. And material, hold on. Because I just found that material has a lot of different colors. So where's my battery? Let's go to clutch, or stabilizer. We have to do this with every single stabilizer. Yes, I think as soon as I know the exact property that I have to change, let's try this one and let's delete this one. So let's try to animate this here. Let's put the alpha is gonna be 1. Aha, this was the one. No, hold on. And the emission, the emission has to be here like 0, 0. Okay, good job, David. You are looking for the wrong one. So if I don't see the element that I am animating, well, I'm gonna have issues, you know. There you go. So these are the properties that I have to play with. I think, let's see, hold on. How can I just, if I put this in 0, 0, 0. Okay, if I just delete these values, and the emission is the same. So this is emission 0. So I have this. Okay, cool. So I don't need to work with emission. I think emission is fine. Or not. It is not. It is not. So emission has to be, how can I say, emission has to be again 0. Where's material? No, this is not. Clutch, stabilizer, and emission. Where is emission? Material, emission, color. There you go. So the state, the idle state is going to have these values in 0, 0, 0. So I can just delete this. And material, the alpha should be 0 and the emission should be 0 by default. And here should be 0, 2. What? Why are you changing? I don't have any more. What? You know what? I don't want emission. So let's turn off the emission. And emission is 1 here, so I want emission 0. There you go. Cool. So I have to do the same thing for every single magnet stabilizer. So yes, I have to do the same for every single one, which is annoying, but yes, it is necessary because it is the thing that we want to do. So let's go to clutch and let's go to the R1. Okay, no, I need to go to the left one. So I need to go to battery, clutch, left one, mesh renderer. I need to add the material color and I need to add the, I don't want to play with the emission actually, no, but I should do. And the emission, where is the emission? The emission, varying, clustering, emission. Thrust magnet. Okay, I was doing this one. Yes, and now let's go for the same. Battery, clutch, left, no, this one not. Stabilizer, chasing, magnet. Let's go to emission with the emission color. So okay, For now, this emission color is gonna be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I honestly don't want to play with emissions, but yeah. Okay, now let's go for these. Okay, these are enough, like now ready. So I was doing this magnet. Let's go to the other magnet. So battery. So with the left one, bearing, casting, magnet, mesh. I do have the color, so I need now the emission color. So I have the emission here. Emission has to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here this is 0, 0, 0. What? 0, 0, 0. Nice. And finally, I need the right one. I need the right one, so let's add the right one. Chassis, battery, clutch. No clutch stuff. No, I don't need to be in clutch anymore. Need to go to the right one, straight to the right one. So battery, right, transferring, casting, the magnet, and the mesh renderer. I will add again the color, and finally the emission one. So battery, the right one. There you go. Casting, the magnet, and finally the mesh renderer, the emission. Where is the emission? The emission color. Nice. This is gonna be my idle state. So essentially everything is turned off, and now in my animator, this is the combi. So now I need to add a new animation clip that will be combi b reacting animation. So on this case I will have only two. So I will make a transition here, and if you are here, I want a transition here. So same as we were doing with the cactus one with Amigo, I will create a trigger. If I am here, this is going to be in start interaction. And here I will create a new one, new trigger, that is a go to idle. So here I want to go to idle state, and here I want to start my interaction. I don't want to wait until exit time in neither of those, but I want the loop for all of them. Actually, for idle I don't need it, but I need the loop for this animation. So this one has to be looping the whole time. So this is looping, and this is not necessary, but yeah, we can just loop it. I'll just disable the loop. Okay, so let's go and work in the next animation. So I will do an animation, maybe a 1 second long animation, where it is just a bouncing thing, and that's pretty much it. A bouncing, and how is this? Yeah, I want that bouncing, and I want that like flashing the magnets. So let's go to my scene. I have this selected, and I'm going to work in this one. So the first thing that I have to do is I need to move, what's the name of this? I need to go to battery, to the left and to the right. So let's go and add first some battery. I do have some battery fans, but no, this is not the fan. I need to go to, okay, clutch. This is clutch stuff, clutch, left. Okay, let's go here and let's see. Oh, where are you? Okay. Okay, so I want this to be, I don't know, should be this one or should be this one? I think this is the one that should be. So L stabilizer bearing. So this is the one that I want to rotate. So yeah, let's add this one. Chassis, battery, clutch, the L stabilizer, and then the bearing one is the one that I want to rotate. So I will just rotate this here, and I want to rotate this in Z. This is in 45, so let's put it in 90 and 90. No, so I have to move it to 0. So 0. This is gonna be 0 too. Maybe here in 3 milliseconds this is going to be 15. Yes, that's nice. Yeah, kind of works. Let's do the same with the other one. So chassis, maybe 15 is too much. Just let's add some 10, so it is not that, yeah, a little bit more discreet, I think. So let's do the same with the other bearing. So let's go to battery, clutch, let's look for the other clutch, and let's go to the right one. Okay, there you go. Rotation, let's add it. And here I'm gonna have the same property. So this, in rotation, the rotation for this one has to be 0 or has to be 90. I don't remember. Oh, what is this one? Okay, has to be 0. So let's go to 0. This is gonna be -10, and this is gonna be 0. So again, this is gonna do the same as the other one. The curves are kind of wild. Yes, they are kind of insane. Not that soft as I imagine. Maybe no. Okay, I just leave it as it is for now. Because the model is small, maybe we cannot perceive if the movement is so small. So yeah, I think 10 -10 is enough. So now let's go for the other thrusters. So let's go here to battery. This one, where's the bearing? This is the one, the right one. Transform and the rotation. There you go, same as here. So I will go to here and the this one. So here for this one we need to have maybe the rotation is on X, so rotation is gonna be 0. Here is gonna be 0 too. Let's see. Where is you? Where you are not moving? So the rotation is 0 on X. Okay, I'm doing the wrong one. Okay, never mind. This is in the other side. There you go. So yeah, this is pointing down. And same, I want this to be here and maybe just 10. And doing the cycle. Whee! There you go. So it is kind of floating and creating that illusion of suspension. Same as the other cluster thruster. So let's go here, chassis, battery. Let's go to the left one. Bearing, transform, and just add the rotation again. So for the rotation, for the left one, right one, okay, the rotation, you are gonna be 0. Here I want you in -10, and here I want you in just 0. So essentially the animation when this is interacting, they are kind of doing that funny movement. Okay, I have the rotations now. Now I want to add the color because this is interacting, so the fire is now visible. So let's begin with chassis, battery. Let's go to the right one, bearing, casting, the magnet, and here I'm going to start with the material color. So here I want to do the opposite. So yes, this is going to start in alpha 0. Here I want to add an alpha 1. And so what is the other one? What's the one that I'm looking at? I always forget. So let's go. So it is not visible. Why this is not visible? I have my material color, just magnet. What is the one that I'm looking at? Okay, this one. So let's go here and let's see. Let's say I want to add also the light or the emission for that one. Battery, this is the right, bearing, casting, magnet, mesh renderer, and here in mesh emission color I want this to be 1. So let's go to 1. Is it to 1? I don't remember. I think this is 1. Okay, I know this has to be 0. It has to be 1 here, and this has to be 0. Okay, let's do the same with the other thruster magnets. So battery, the left one, bearing, casting, magnet, renderer, and here let's go to color. Okay, this is the one. So the alpha color is 0, but here it is going to be 1. What is this one? Okay, this is the one that I'm looking at. So the magnet, the idea is to move this one here. So you know what? I'm just gonna put this here. This is gonna be 0, this is gonna be 1, and this is gonna be 0. And in the middle I can do some, because this is kind of far, so we can just flash this one, not that in this way, but maybe we can have here some alpha 0, or here alpha 1, and here alpha, yeah, this can be, see, so we have that flashing thing. So yeah, we have this flashing thing here, and we will have this here alpha must be 1 again. This one has to be a little bit lower, kind of here. So this is kind of flashing the whole time. Okay, nice. Let's do with the other one. So this is going to start here in 0. This is gonna be 1. This is gonna be more or less lowered. No, this has to be 1. This has to be lowered a little bit. It has to be 1. This has to be lowered a little bit, kind of here. This is the new flashing thing. So now we have this flash colors. Let's do it with the other one. With this magnet. So again, you start in 0. You go here to kind of 1. You get lower here a little bit, kind of here, and you get again 1. You get lowered. You are 1 again, and you come here to 0. So this is doing some flashing too. Let's go to this one, that is the remaining one, and let's do the same. So you go here, you go here with 1, fully flashed out. This one gets reduced, kind of here. Here it is fully. This is lowered, kind of here. This is fully, and then it reduces. There you go, nice, it looks good. What's missing? The emission, maybe? You want to have some emission color here. So this is gonna be dark. This is gonna be maybe fully. No, never mind. Oh, I forgot what was the value. So let's see. No, I don't like it. I'm just gonna, yeah. Let's ignore the emissions. I don't like them. At least not for this one. So let's go here and just get rid of this one. And this emission color, yes. Let's get rid of them. I think this animation is okay. So back to my chassis. So the only thing that I want that is missing is I want this to be floating. So let's move this up. So let's just no, the chassis, sorry, we are just animating the chassis, not the full prefab. So let's put this here, that I want here to be this at maximum. I want this to be at 0. Or just not 0, but maybe it is 0.1. Oh my goodness, no, this is too high. No. 0.01. So yes, I want this. Let's move this one to 2. This is gonna be 1. Let's give it let's give the offset on this animation already. So it starts here, it ends here, 0.1. Okay, so this goes up, this goes like to 15 maybe, so, and here okay, goes here, so here it goes up again and it goes down. So this is the illusion, ups, down. Here it has to go up again, so this is 2, and here it goes down to 1. Okay, so this is floating, and now the rotations that I need to provide are like, you go maybe here. Okay, what we can do is maybe just to store the rotations in this place. So chassis rotation is gonna be chassis rotation. It's gonna be this one. So okay, this value of the rotation will be, yes, I want this value rotation to be no, the whole thing. I want these values to be here. When this is at the maximum range, I want this to be stable. When this is at the beginning, I want this to be like a little bit, so it gives the illusion that it is going, you know, it's going to do this. See? So here and here, this is going to be a little bit, just a little bit down, because here is where it starts to, you know, to going down. And here, this is the maximum. I want to have these values here, and I want here this to go down a little bit. So no, I need the same values here. No, I need the same values here. So let's copy this, yes, because I want a nice loop. So I want these values at the very end. There you go. So it goes up, down. Okay, this one has to be up. There you go. So now maybe the rotation is too much, because yes, it is like not floating but dancing, maybe. Yeah, this is too much. So this one is nice until here, so maybe I will get rid of this. Because maybe I don't want to have, I want something softer. So this is going down. This rotation maybe is too much. Let's give it to minus 2. And let's finish this in minus 2. Because I think, yeah, it is too much, maybe the... Yeah, okay. Let's let it be as it is. So okay, this is our idle animation, and this is our interaction animation. Nice. So I have the two states in my project. Those are the textures. So I think until now I can leave this as it is at time. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is I want what I just want to I will export these prefabs. I will upload them as the Unity package, and that is gonna be the starting point for the tutorial that I will record tomorrow. Yeah, I will do that, you know. I wanted to program that, but this is time here and I have to do a lot of stuff. So yes, let's go and export. Yes, I will just export these prefabs, this Amigo Angry, these Combi assets. Okay, this marker, and my Amigo, and my Combi asset. Hold on, I didn't overwrite. I have to overwrite the whole thing. Yes. So if I drag and drop again my Combi assets, and I get and I just hide this one, I will have the same animations. I have the same setup because it is already applied to the prefab. I don't know if I did that to this guy. Let's see the animations real quick. But yes, the animations are set up here. I have the dancing and I have the jumping animation. Okay, so I have now everything that I need as a starting point for the project. So yes, I will just export this couple of assets and these two. Let's export this package as a Unity package. The only thing that I don't want to export is the controller, because I want in the tutorial to set up the controller too. So yes, and I don't want to export I don't want to export my scripts. Yes, these are my prefabs. I think that's a good starting point. I have the animations, I have the markers, the textures, the materials. I have everything I need to start recording the tutorial tomorrow. So yeah, can I just export this? This is starting assets, multiple images tracking. Let's leave it here. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for now till here. So thanks for watching, and